Hello, Musical3 here. Do not worry, I've not abandoned YouTube. I've just been really busy lately with Sun and Moon and just hanging out with other people and socializing. And I'm really sorry for not doing that pack opening, but I will try to do it. And actually, I'm trying to make a Judy Fly plush, so we're going to be going to Walmart for that, so I can probably get some packs there. The packs I need. So I really want to make one, since I need a Sun and Moon plush, and there's not an official Judy Fly plush. Not want to wait for shipping, so yeah. So me and my friend over there, we are going to be making a video where we basically put stuff in a tin and then throw it down on the ground and explode. Now he's making noise. But yeah. So, be excited, because we're going to be exploding stuff. We are throwing some battle stuff. Like these sleeves, and they like went everywhere. So this may take a while. So now we're going to be drawing some action figures. This bag was falling. My last pack opening that I forgot to put in my binder. Here are some empty packs that I know it's going to be a running club for us. Run Club! Now we're throwing some of my mini plush. What's the exploding Pokemon video if you not explode Pokeballs? My friend's Pokemon cards. His idea, not mine. Well, I hope you liked the video. I'm not sure if I'll post tomorrow. Maybe I will. It's just Sun and Moon stuff. Probably take up my life for a few days. Yeah. So,